Okay, hello friends, this is Fear. Welcome to part 2 of our HTML tutorial. Okay, so in the last video we have seen the introduction of HTML. We have written our first document with some basic HTML tags. So this video we are going to learn more tags, and category wise we are going to learn about formatting tags. Okay, so let's get started. So here I have created a new file called formatting tags.html and opened that with browser here. Okay, so as usual, let's get started with that HTML boilerplate. Let's give a title as formatting tags. Okay, and here the first tag what we're going to learn is, so say for example this is text. Okay, so let's save and then see. Okay, it's good to check always. Okay, now so first tag is going to be a bold tag. So that was a traditional uh, tag with the letter B. Okay, and if you save you will see it's in a bold color, but in the recent HTML5 standard it becomes a semantic tag, and that tag is called strong. Okay, this is also bold. Okay, and you will see the same kind of uh, effect, okay, for bold and strong. Okay, both are same. And so then let's have a small paragraph. So here it will say this is italics. Okay, so as you know, italics is kind of, okay, then we can use the I tag for italics. Again, it was a traditional tag, as you can see here is italics. Okay, but the latest tag was given is something like this. Okay, em. Okay, em stands for emphasize. Okay, and even that will have the same effect. Okay, so we have seen bold and italic, and then we're gonna see few more things. Say for example, if I want to do an underline, okay, we can do something like that. This is important. Okay, so you can use a U tag, so that will be used for underlining the text. Okay, and then when you have a document and we want to do some strike through. Okay, say for example, so here this is bold. Okay, this is text. So here I'm saying del. There is a tag called del, so that means delete. Okay, if you save, you will see the text is now have a small strike through. Okay, so I think del also the old tag, I mean the old convention. The new convention is to use something called yes for strike. Okay, which means if I do yes tag, save, and this italics here will be struck through. Okay, all right. So now let's go further. There is a tag called small which can use. This is small text. Okay, so we can use small tag, and you will see a smaller text. Okay, okay, fine, let's go further. And there is a tag called pre. Okay, it's one of the common tag. It's called predefined text. Okay, which means this is a predefined text. It will come as is. So as you can see here, inside the pre-text, okay, whatever you have given, it will come directly. Okay, there will not be any formatting happening. So whatever the space you are giving, within this pre-tag, it will come as is. That's a pre-tag. Normally this tag will be used if you want to display some code content like that. Okay, so say for example I want to have Python code block. Okay, so like for I in range of 10 print. So if you see, that will look exactly like this. Okay, but if at all if you don't give this pre tag, then it won't be happening like that. Okay, so if you comment that part, save, then it will come as a normal text. Okay, because it will be inside the paragraph tag, so paragraph doesn't have any formatting, so it will just keep like a normal text. Okay, it will ignore all the white spaces and then it will come like that. Okay, so that is a pre tag. Apart from that, there is also a tag called code. Okay, which you can use for giving code snippet. So it comes like that. Okay, code. Okay, so say for example, to set background, use background color property. So let's see how this looks. Okay, so as you can see, okay, let's give a small space here. So this is a normal text, but only the background color is coming in a different format. Okay, just to denote that it's a code. Okay, so that is the importance of the code tag. Okay, then let's talk few more things. Okay, there are tags to quotation marks. So say for example again, okay, yeah, so hello, how are you? So I'm just gonna use a q tag. Okay, so save and see how the result. So as you can see, it comes with the double quotes. Okay, and then there is also a tag for highlighting text. Okay, again, he said he will come by 10 a.m. Okay, so assume this is a small paragraph and I want to highlight this 10 a.m. I can use a mark tag. Okay, save and then see the result. Okay, so the mark, I mean the content inside the mark tag will be like highlighted in yellow color. Okay, all right, so let's have few more tags, cool tags like superscript and subscript. So assume I want to display the H2O. Okay, H2O is chemical formula for water, right? So assume I want to display H2O. So if I use a paragraph tag for H2O, then as usual, as you expect, it will come like this. Okay, but I want the 2 to go down, so which means I can use a subscript, sub. Okay, save, and then here you will see, okay, both O also went inside. Let's take the O out and put it here, save, we get H2O. Okay, similarly we have a superscript. So I want to say that 10 square equals to 100. Okay, okay, so now it will look something like this. So what I can do, I can come here, can surround this 2 with sup tag. Okay, sup is superscript and it will go up. Okay, 10 square equal to 100. So these are some formatting tags, and we'll finish the video with few more tags. There is a tag for abbreviation which you can use inside the code. So say for example, I'm going to say HTML is fun to learn. Okay, but this HTML is actually an abbreviation, right? So hypertext markup language. So I can use the ABBR. There is a tag called abbreviation, but if you just use this tag like that, nothing will happen. Okay, but this tag takes an attribute called title. Okay, and then I can say that hypertext markup language. So as soon as we have a title, then it will change into a dotted line. If you hover over it, right, it will say that hypertext markup language. Okay, it's one of the tags which you can remember to use if you want. Okay, and there is also a tag called blockquote. Okay, to if you want to denote something, so it comes like that. Okay, blockquote. Okay, so here I want to give a quote. Okay, so either if I give a simple text, you won't find anything. So here you can see it comes like this. Okay, for that to produce a random text, okay, there is a tool called lorem ipsum. Okay, so normally if you want to generate some paragraphs, you can just type ba 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 ba. Okay, or you can go to the lorem generator, where you will find a proper basically, you know, not proper but random scrambled text, but that looks like a paragraph. Okay, in the modern text editors, even this technique is available with some shortcuts. Okay, so which means here in Sublime Text, I can say lorem tab, then the first 50 words from the lorem ipsum random text will come in. Okay, so if you save this and then see the result here, then you see that this block quote is having some indentation, and yeah, it's coming with some pre-formatted text. Okay, so normally this will be used to denote some quotation marks, like Steve Jobs said, something like this. Okay, like that. Okay, Yeah, I think we have pretty much covered all the necessary formatting tags available in HTML. Okay, so we'll stop the video here. So I'll see you in the next video with the continuation of it. So we're gonna see some more interesting tags like image, anchor, table, and order list and form, and yeah, a lot more things are coming in. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you like it and learn something new, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video with the continuation. Until then, thanks for watching.